Evening, folks. We're live at 10:35, and we are doing a winner-take-all battle for Zach's new Jordans. I got 10 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are, winner-take-all. Going to paste them in here. There they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9er. We are golden. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Matt Johnson, round 1. Brandon 2, Steve takes 3 and 4. My mom will love them. Brandon 6, Steve again on top in 7 and 8. Bring us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Brandon Klingler in at number 3. Congrats, Brandon. LJB XUI. There it is. Brandon in at number 3 is the winner. I'm done at 10:36. There it is. One more time. Here's the winner. Brandon in at number 3. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.